Mary as the Queen of Heaven. Ang tanong po dito, ito po ba ay biblical? Before natin maintindihan lahat, tingnan muna natin ang Old Testament. Pag-aralan po natin ngayon ang tinatawag na typology or prefiguration. The Old Testament prefigure on what's really going on or to happen in the New Testament. Since our topic is the queenship of Mary, let us try to look at the First King chapter 2 verses 19 to 15. Ito po ang prefigure. Nung si Bathsheba po ay pumasok sa templo ni Haring Solomon, si Haring Solomon ang kanyang anak ay tumayo at sinundo niya ang kanyang nanay at sinabihan niya, "My queen, sit beside my throne." This is a typology study po. Then, in the book of Revelation, makikita natin, Revelation chapter 12, that there was a great sign. There's a wonders in heaven. No? Sabi ni John the Beloved, I saw a woman clothed with a sun. He's pregnant. No? He's about to deliver the Son of God, the baby boy, Jesus Christ, at the time. And she was crowned with 12 stars. Crowned with 12 stars. What do you mean by this? If she was crowned with 12 stars, meaning she is Queen of Heaven. And 12 stars represents the 12 tribes of Israel and the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. Question, sino po itong ina ng hari? Walang iba si Maria, ang ina ng hari. Ang hari ay si Jesus. So, na-prefigure in the Old Testament. So, dito natin maintindihan na talagang si Maria ay reyna ng langit. Wala po ito sa ibang sekta because they do not know how to understand or even study about typology regarding the Bible. Remember, the Old Testament, it was an anticipation and the New Testament was a realization. Ito po ay nagpakilala lamang na ang simbahang Katoliko ay ang totoong simbahan. Salamat po.